Heading structure makes web content easier to read, and assistive technology uses it to navigate the page. To avoid confusion, it's important to use headings in the right order. For example, typically there should be only one heading 1 on the page, which is the title. Next, heading 2s would be used, and heading 3s would be under heading 2s. In the accessibility guide, I can fix the skipped level heading errors from either the heading outline or the skipped heading level dropdown. I'm going to fix it from the heading outline dropdown because I can see what every heading on the page is, which makes it easy to know what I should change the headings with the errors to. The very first skipped level heading is an H3. I'll change it to an H2. The next two skipped level headings are H4s. By looking at the heading structure, I can tell these both should be an H3. Now I can select Apply. If you have any questions, select the question mark icon for the documentation.